Okay, today I'm going to do a video on how I make these t-shirts with the tie out of a dollar bill. First thing we do is you look through your dollars and you try to find you a nice crispy one. Here's one right here. Okay, we're going to do it with this one here. Go ahead and get started. I'll try to go slow so you can see how we do it. Okay, first thing we do, your dollar, and keep the front side up and fold it right in half, just like so. Then fold it in half again. Crease it down. Fold it in half like that. Open it up. And then fold it like this. Crease it and fold it down. First thing we're going to work on is the tie. The tie is going to go right here. So I'm going to fold this back. There. Depends on how thick you want your tie. Here's half of the tie. You go from here to the corner up here on top. Flip it around. Fold it back the other way. So there's your tie. So I'm going to fold it that. Just work with it. Push the tie in so it comes to a peak. Like that. See how you do that? And then this, just push it in like that. Gotta work with it. See? There's the tie right there. There you go. That's the tie. So now we're going to fold this in half and we're going to tuck this part here underneath the tie. Just lift your tie up like so. Tuck this underneath. Like that. Fold this in half and tuck that underneath your tie. Just like that. That's where we're at now. So we have our tie ready to go. Now we're going to work on the collar. Facing up like this. This part here, you're going to go up like that, the white part. And this part here, you're going to make it go to the bottom of the tie, right there. And keep your creases. See? The bottom of the tie. Then, we're going to work on the collar. So from here, you're going to move this back halfway. Collar there. See the collar? Starting to come together here. So halfway, keep your creases down. So there's our collar. So here's where we're at now. Got the tie, you got the collar. So what I'm going to do now is going to bring this even to this. So let's go ahead and bring this like underneath. Just line it up to here. See how I did that? So look at it this way, and here's the back. Okay, that's where we're at now. So now we're going to work on the sleeves. So you spin it around, open it here. See this crease here right underneath the collar? You're going to pull out. This is the difficult part. The most difficult part of the project is where the crease is. You're going to pull out and fold it to make your sleeves. Just pinch it like this and make your little sleeve. There's one sleeve there. See how it's coming along? Do it, turn around, and do the other side. Pinch it right there, and you got to work with it. It's not easy, but it takes practice. Let's do the other sleeve. This one kind of went in, so you bring it back out. See how we're working it there? So try to keep your sleeves even. So there's my sleeves there. So here's where we're at. So now what I'm going to do is the tie here is going to be tucked underneath the collar. So turn it like this to get your sleeves here. See how I got my sleeves there, and then this comes underneath, and we're going to tuck it underneath here so that it catches underneath the collar. So let's go ahead and do that. There it is there. See that? And you hold your creases down. There's your t-shirt with the tie. So to give it a 3D effect, you can pinch your tie here. Get this tie and just pinch it. Bring it out. So there you go there. See that? There it is there. Thank you for watching my tutorial on how to make t-shirt out of $1.